Most men think erectile dysfunction starts in the bedroom. That's wrong. It starts in the arteries, months or even years earlier, silently, no pain, no warning, just slower blood flow, until performance stops responding. Doctors already know this. Erectile dysfunction is often one of the earliest warning signs of restricted blood flow in the body. The same narrowing that affects the heart shows up first in the smallest arteries, and the arteries supplying male performance are some of the smallest. That's why pills alone often fail. They try to force a response through a system that's already restricted, and when the response weakens, something else happens quietly. Confidence drops, energy fades, presence disappears, men stop leading, stop initiating, stop feeling like themselves. Partners don't always complain, they just notice the distance, the hesitation, the change, and when reliability disappears, attention shifts elsewhere, not explicit, still powerful. Here's the truth most men never hear. ED is rarely the problem, it's the result. The real culprit is restricted circulation. You can't activate performance if blood flow can't arrive efficiently. That's why solving this requires 2 steps, but not 1. Step 1 is foundation, circulation. First, you support healthier blood flow at the source. Artery cleansing is designed to support cleaner arterial pathways, smoother circulation, and long-term vascular efficiency. This is not about instant sensation, it's about fixing the upstream issue. Then comes V-Candy. It's a fast-dissolving herbal formula designed to support nitric oxide production, encourage healthy blood flow response, and reinforce confidence and readiness. One supports the road, the other supports the signal, and together they work with the body, not against it. Using activation without circulation support is like, well, pressing the gas with a clogged fuel line. Using circulation support without activation, sure, there's progress, but it's slower. The men who see the best outcomes don't guess, they stack the system. This isn't about chasing youth, it's about reliability. Calm confidence, predictable performance, being the man who doesn't worry, because his system is handled. Leaders don't gamble on their health, they systemize it. And this is where most men either win, or, fail. Circulation doesn't improve in just one dose, confidence doesn't return randomly, it's built through consistency. That's why the subscription exists, not for convenience, for results. No gaps, no forgetting, no restarting, lower monthly cost, cancel anytime. The men who subscribe aren't desperate, they're strategic. Try the system. If within 30 days you don't feel more stable energy, better circulation awareness, or stronger confidence in your body's reliability, you cancel. No pressure, no explanation required. You can ignore circulation until it forces your attention. Or you can handle it quietly, privately, and intelligently now. Start the Artery Cleanse plus V-Candy subscription today. Support blood flow, support confidence. Let consistency do what willpower never could. Start monthly delivery, cancel anytime.